Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Derek Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about those of you that are unemployed, those of you that are laid off, those of you who basically do not have a job. Well, I've made videos before where you can make money online, where you can make money while you're sleeping, and I'm going to go over a few of those things. As you can see in the background, Tifosi Optics. Check. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And we're going to talk about it and welcome. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. That's right, this is the No Guru Zone. So you know what that means. That means no cost whatsoever. What does it look like when people are out of work and having a hard time to charge for something? Well, that ain't what's happening here at Stop Struggling Now. So we're gonna talk about it. So what we're gonna talk about first, there's gonna be a link down below. All you people who wanna deal with Amazon, have an Amazon FBA, get that free course down below in the description. You know I talked about it before, so I'm going to put a link up here or there that's going to say something about the Amazon businesses that you can do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I figured I would just come straight to the computer so I can show you what we were talking about regarding Amazon. As you can see, this is a video I did way back when I first started, a few months after, in 2018. Talking about make money online fast using Amazon. I'm going to have a link down below to this exact video, which still applies to this day. And there's some nuggets in that video that can help you out as well to sell on not only Amazon, but eBay or any other place, Etsy. Or if you, like I said, have your social media. And again, that's part of how you're going to get out of this little funk right now. Get your social media up on all platforms. People are on different platforms all the time, and this is how you can promote your product or service or business. So, now, the Amazon part, I am at Amazon, and you can easily see here, Amazon.com, and at the very bottom, you will see this, sell on Amazon, sell under Amazon Accelerator, sell on Amazon Handmade, sell your services. Some of these do cost. Sell on Amazon as far as if you have a business. Sell your apps on Amazon. Become an affiliate. They have reduced their affiliate commissions. They just started doing that last month. So that's a bummer. But again, as you guys know, I always talk about Amazon as a platform that gets out to millions of people, and you don't have to capture those millions of people. In other words, you don't have to spend your money to find an audience. eBay, Amazon, social media, you're able to find audiences without paying for it. If you want to pay for it, then all platforms, all social media platforms, you can actually pay to produce and make ads and have them run on that platform. But if you don't have any money or don't want to spend any money because you have limited funds, then this is the kind of thing that you have to do. This is the No Guru Zone. There's no course I'm selling you. The FBA Amazon course is going to be down below in the description as well. Free Amazon FBA course, courtesy of Money GPS. All right? So you can go there, and again, it's free, no cost. The No Guru Zone. People are out here struggling. This is how we stop you from struggling. All right, now. And speaking of struggling, in case I didn't mention it before, go over here to Webull and Robinhood. Today is May 1st. I normally don't put a date on the videos, but today is May 1st. I am selling all my shares of stocks and looking towards the shorts stocks, which means the TIVX, TVIX, the UVXY, the SQQ, SPXS, a bunch of them.
I don't know exactly which ones, but I already have them loaded up. I loaded them up last night. So you can put a limit when you do stocks. You can put a limit on what you want to buy and sell. So I have my limits already for what I sold, and then I'm gonna have my what I'm gonna enter at for the all those shorts. Which ones I'm gonna pick? I'm gonna pick TVIX. I'm gonna pick UVXY. I'm gonna pick XQQQ, and I'm gonna pick SPXS, and I'm going to pick some gold mining stocks as well. So I'm going to pick gold, GOLD, and I might try a smallish type risque one, AUY, I believe is the code for that. But anyhow, get your free share of stock when you download Webull, and you gotta put in your information, and you don't have to put money in. You just have to put your information and verify your account, with your email or your phone or whatever. Then you'll get a free share of stock in about a week. Robinhood, free share of stock also. Webull, you'll get a second share of stock when you deposit $100 or more. So please use the links down below. And then there's M1 Finance, which is another app that has free trades, and free commissions, or no commissions and free trades. So that's what you want to do. Now, when you're out of business, out of work, laid off, unemployed, college graduate, no job in sight, then you might want to do the Amazon. You have plenty of things. If you write, you can publish on Amazon. So then you have to figure out, where are you going to go sell items besides Amazon, or what are you going to do? Well, I have another video that I made exactly a year ago, May 2nd, free places to promote your business, product, or services online. And as you can see on the screen, that's Pinterest right there. Which now, Pinterest is very interesting. And speaking of interesting, you should put them on your watch list for stocks, because they just now started figuring out what they want to do with regard to monetizing their platform. You're able to put pins, as they call it, up, but you're able to sell your products on there with a link to your product page or your affiliate link. There's different ways. So that's now a platform that's going to be monetized, which now means they're going to be making more money, which now means they can now enter the platform, such as, the Facebooks, the Snapchats, things like that. So it might be worth looking at their shares right now. And this is how you find out the free places where you can go. And in fact, in the description here, I don't have much other than the software, but I'm probably going to add something to this, because there's like a Canva that I talk about, where you can produce images. And then, of course, there's other things I talk about in this video. So there'll be a link down below to this video. Free places to promote your business, product, or services online now. This applies to today. It's going to apply next year as well. It always applies. When you're trying to get free business, free promotion, why not? The No Guru Zone. I'm not going to charge you for none of this. Come on. And also, you guys know you can email me at any time at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com. No problem. And with all that, some people are sitting there saying, hey, I have a home-based business. At least I want to start a home-based business, but I don't want to use my home address. That's fair. There's crazies all over the world. So that's understandable. And what do you want to do? You don't want to do a UPS mailbox or Postal Annex or any other mailbox only service unless all you're going to be using it for is for your business or an address. If you're going to try, it's fine if you're going to just use it for address, but if you're going to try and get business lines of credit, business credit cards, business funding down the road, then you need your office to be in a commercial location. A UPS, Postal Annex, any other postal service only type of business where you just have this little mailbox there, you're not going to get approved for funding most often. You need a commercial address, commercial building. Receptionist helps. And this is where I discuss in this video how to register your business with the virtual office, and I go over it step by step, and I just did this like 2 or 3 months ago. So there'll be a link down below for this video, and that is how you can get business credit, business funding. And then of course we got to go over the steps on what you need, but you can look through other videos on how to start business credit once you go down this path. So again, these are the type of things that we're looking for if you are unemployed, sitting on the couch watching TV. Instead of watching TV, you could be thinking up ways to monetize yourself. Monetize yourself with information, monetize yourself with products, monetize yourself with something in the garage that you can sell right now, something in your closet that you can sell right now, something in your kitchen that you can sell right now. These are the kind of things where you can monetize yourself, because basically, in my opinion, I think this is the future, is all about monetizing yourself. You can work for somebody else, but you're always going to be beholden to the fact that if they happen to go out of business, or a pandemic or some other hard time occurs, they're going to say, I'm sorry, you got to go. I can't pay you. And now if that was your only source of income, you have a serious problem, especially with a government that is $25 trillion in debt already. They're printing more money. Somebody's going to have to figure out who's going to be paying this back, which, if you haven't figured it out by now, you will be paying it back in taxes. Your children will be paying it back. Your grandkids will be paying it back. Your great-grandkids will be paying it back. All the while, the top 10% will be sitting in their lofty, shiny glass houses in the penthouse, and you, your children, and whoever doesn't get out is going to be employed and getting underpaid and overworked. Because if you have missed a previous video where I said the 1%ers don't lose, I told you guys about this before. The bottom line of the story is they don't lose, and you're the one holding the bag while they get the bailouts. So all those people right now, 30 million people, are unemployed, have filed for unemployment. Not all 30 people are going to receive money. And that doesn't even include the people who fell off the unemployment rolls. So in essence, there is well more than 30 million people unemployed. It's probably 60 or 70 million. Then you start thinking about, how many people do you think graduated from college this year? A few more million? Probably another 5 million people, right? I don't even know what the number is. I'm guessing. But the fact of the matter is, there's some more millions who cannot get a job. Stuff is shut down. And when stuff does come back up, when businesses start coming back up, cities, states, counties, some jobs are going to be left behind. They're going to be axed, because they're not going to be getting some of that bailout money. Some mom and pop businesses are getting shafted. The Lakers somehow get a small SBA loan. Ruth Chris somehow gets an SBA loan. This is outrageous. There's 30, 40 million mom and pop businesses, and they're giving money to roughly franchises and chains that have 20, 30, 10, one entity. And I don't understand. But you guys, like I said before, I do understand, because 1%ers don't lose. This is a transfer of wealth. So while you're sitting on the couch, you want to join in on the corporation of the United States of America and be a subsidy. Because those who were subsidized received a $1,000 per employee stimulus check. And some people will not receive a stimulus check. Then there's another stimulus check that people are saying they're going to get a $1,200 stimulus check, but some people don't qualify for that. So while some of your neighbors are getting stimulus checks, you may be getting no stimulus checks. Just keep all this in mind. Nothing is fair. So you have to create your own future. And this is going to be a short and sweet video. And now is the time. I just gave you a few tools so you can start. And again, if you need any help, you can comment down below. I always answer every comment. And you can email me at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com. And with all that said, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And you know it's hard out here. This is why we're doing Stop Struggling Now. This is why everything is free. This is why I don't need no stinking money from you, because I want everybody to be successful. Join me and share the videos. Please like the videos, because apparently the YouTube algorithms matter. Making comments matters, apparently. So keep all this in mind when you're watching these videos, because do they really want you to learn how to fend for yourself? Because if you go to the trending page on YouTube, let's just do it for giggles and grins right now. Look at what you find. You see this? Music, theater, music, games, music, trending, game, frog tier. What is this? Everybody's got to have a little entertainment, right? But nothing up here is talking about helping out the hundreds of millions of people around the world that are sitting at home and about to lose their livelihood. Nothing here is on the front trending page. Not going to happen. No help whatsoever. Just fun and games. You got to look high and low. Fun and games. So you got to think about it. And of course, trending could be where people are actually looking at this. Now you have to start thinking, are you one of these people that are sitting online watching videos, watching and gaming, sitting there 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, an hour or two, and that time frame that you just took to watch all this fun and entertainment, you could have been starting your own business. You could have been starting with that first $1 coming in while you're sleeping. But yet, you could be one of these people, unemployed, out of work, can't get a job, sitting there panicking and sitting there watching this stuff, fun and games. Come on now. Let's go. Do you want to be a 1%er, a 10%er? That means a top 10%er, a top 1%er. It's a lot better when you're closer to the top than closer to the bottom. And a lot of people are about to find this out, as there's no food at the stores, there's no money in the bank, credit is cut off, and now you're going to sit there and say, where am I going to get this money from? Well, look deep inside. Find it within yourself. With all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.